In 2025, Vivo is turning up the heat in the ultra-premium segment with its latest flagship, the Vivo T4 Ultra. This phone is a powerhouse wrapped in elegance, blending cutting-edge technology, sleek design, and photography prowess in a way that redefines expectations. Positioned as one of the most ambitious devices from Vivo this year, the T4 Ultra is packed with next-gen features and is clearly built for users who demand both style and substance in a smartphone. Let's dive into everything this Ultra flagship brings to the table. Starting with the front, the Vivo T4 Ultra sports a 6.67-inch POLED panel that ensures breathtaking visuals. With a crisp 1.5K resolution, every detail on screen is ultra-sharp and rich in color. The 120Hz refresh rate makes scrolling, animations, and gaming buttery smooth, delivering a premium experience whether you're browsing the web, streaming HDR content, or playing fast-paced games. The POLED technology also ensures thinner bezels and vibrant visuals, perfect for immersive multimedia consumption. Under the hood, the Vivo T4 Ultra is powered by the flagship-grade MediaTek Dimensity 9300 Plus processor, fabricated on a highly efficient 4nm process. This chipset is designed to deliver peak performance in every scenario, from demanding mobile games and advanced AI features to seamless multitasking and smooth app launches. Coupled with ample RAM and ultra-fast storage options, this phone doesn't just keep up, it leads. Photography is where the Vivo T4 Ultra truly shines. The phone boasts a triple 50MP camera setup, starting with a Sony IMX921 primary sensor equipped with OIS, promising stunning shots in every lighting condition. It's supported by a 50MP periscope telephoto lens offering up to 100x digital zoom, letting you get extremely close to your subject while maintaining clarity, ideal for capturing distant landscapes or intricate details. There's also a 50MP ultra-wide lens that not only captures more of the scene, but does so without compromising image quality. Whether it's portraits, landscapes, or zoomed-in shots, the T4 Ultra stands tall among mobile photography giants. Powering all this is a substantial 5,500 mAh battery, built to last all day and more. Even with heavy usage, you'll rarely be reaching for the charger before the day ends. But when you do, Vivo has you covered with 90W fast charging. This blazing fast speed gets you up and running in no time, perfect for users who are always on the move. Vivo hasn't skimped on the design either. The T4 Ultra features premium materials and a sleek, minimalist profile that feels every bit as luxurious as it looks. It's not just about aesthetics though. The phone also offers IP64 rated dust and water resistance, providing protection against splashes and dust for greater durability and peace of mind. On the software front, the T4 Ultra runs the latest Android 15, led with Funtouch OS 15. The user interface is polished, responsive, and packed with intelligent features. Thanks to deep AI integration, the phone adapts to your usage patterns, whether it's smart photo enhancements, optimized battery usage, or intelligent app suggestions. The Funtouch OS experience has matured significantly, and on the T4 Ultra, it feels smoother and smarter than ever. In conclusion, the Vivo T4 Ultra is more than just a flagship, it's a statement. With a gorgeous POLED display, a beastly processor, one of the most versatile camera systems on the market, ultra-fast charging, and a thoughtfully crafted design, this phone checks all the right boxes. Whether you're a mobile photography enthusiast, a gamer, a content creator, or someone who just wants the absolute best, the Vivo T4 Ultra stands tall as one of 2025's most exciting premium smartphones. This is not just another phone, it's Vivo's vision of the future, and it's ready to impress.